Hey guys, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. I'm excited to be working with Cricut to show you the new Brightpad Go. It's cordless and it's easy to use, and I'm excited to show you how it works. So let's get started. Okay, as you can see, it's a very slim profile. It's a nice big space. It does come with a charger so that you can charge it as needed. All you have to do to get started is to push the button. Today's project, what I'm working on, is a intricate design for the wallpaper in my pantry room. I recently updated my pantry and unfortunately it has a sloped ceiling and we often hit our heads on the slope. So I wanted to add something to it so that we could see where the slope is. Okay, for this particular project I'm using smart vinyl, and just note that when you're using the Brightpad, the smart vinyl has a thicker backing, but it's still usable. You can still see the intricate design, which helps you read it properly without getting it torn or ripping sometimes, is what happens when I try to do it. I'm just going to use some washi tape just so that I can secure the ends to my table and to the Brightpad. This is just going to help it from lifting when I'm trying to weed. So that should be good for now. I'm going to go ahead and start in one of the corners here and slowly peel it back, revealing the design. You want to take your time, especially with the intricate designs, to make sure that you're not pulling any of the design away from the backing paper. I like to come in an angle, which seems to work best. And just with your tool, make sure you get any of the pieces that are lifting and put them back onto the backing paper. The lighting helps me see the intricacy of the design a little bit better. Just be patient. And just like that, a very easily weeded design, which would have been a little bit harder if I didn't have the Brightpad. It's just so I could catch those extra little pieces that were hanging on there. And that made it super easy. And I love, best thing about this Brightpad is there's no cord. I can take it anywhere. I could do it on the couch, on my lap. I don't need to be at my craft station in my studio. I can do it anywhere. All you have to do is charge it when you need to. You can even make it brighter or less bright, just depending on your design. The brighter the better. Actually, I'm going to do the next section with the brighter setting to show you the difference. That brighter setting worked best with the thicker backing. And I'm just going to continue to do this, and I'll be back with the application of the wallpaper to my ceiling.
Next, what I'm going to do is go ahead and add transfer paper to the vinyl design. And you just do that by adding transfer paper on top and using a burnish tool to rub in the design. The best way to remove the design is to flip over the paper and remove the backing from the design, as opposed to removing the vinyl from the backing. And just as you go, peel away from it and burnish as needed, and then you're set to go ahead and apply it to your space. And I decided to go ahead and just randomly put parts of the design on the ceiling, because once I started working in there, I found that the design I picked was a little too much, a little too busy for that space. And I thought that all we needed was just some depth perception, and a few of these designs randomly placed worked perfectly. So I hope you like it as much as I do, and I hope you'll check out the Cricut Brightpad Go. Be sure to follow, subscribe, and like. Thanks for watching.